Okay, we are off of Bear Notch Road, and we are doing Table Mountain today. Very quick hike, getting a very late start, but we're spending the overnight at a campground, so full day of hiking tomorrow too. So it's gonna be a nice couple days before the weekend rush of the holiday weekends. So just a 3.8 mile hike. Just waiting for my buddy to get here. And that's it. Yeah. Beautiful area though. Come on, pup. Good boy. Hey, good boy. Come here, Chew.
Yeah, that's what they get into.
Oh, wow.
Big jack-o'-lantern.
Wow, they're freaking huge.
Yeah.
Coming up on one of these rock slabs, which is some of my favorites to hike on. Turn back. Nice views. All right. Oh, we're very close to the peak, but it's like we're on a gravel path. Oh, looks like we're already coming up on some views toward the peak. It's been full of views on the way up. Really enjoying this hike. Oh boy. Oh, that's why we do it. That's why we do it. Oh wow. It's Bear Notch Road. You can see it. All right. I'm gonna stop, take a water break, give Chewy some water, and head up to the peak. Okay. We made it to the top, and I'm thinking we're gonna get these spectacular 360 views, and it's not. We cannot see a thing. So all the views are on the way up. The best view is right down just a tenth of a mile. So, but enclosed peak, I was not expecting this on a 52 wave hike, but official peak. That's about it. I'm gonna wait for Evan. He's a couple minutes behind me. I think we'll go back down to the ledge and enjoy the views, because this isn't pleasant. I think I'll put my coat on and that's it. Make our way back down. Check another off the list. 52 with a view. Woo! I think we're in the 30s, 34 maybe, 35. I don't even know. But that's about it for that one. Ugh. 52 with no view. Thanks. Making our way back down. Soaking in the views one more time. Okay, just coming back on the last of our views till we go back into tree line for the rest of the hike. Very beautiful hike. It's a hike I would definitely do in the fall with all the fall foliage up here will really be beautiful. So we'll probably come up here again and do it again in the fall, because it's not that bad of a hike. 4-mile hike. That's about it till tomorrow. So, for me and Chewy, happy trails. See you next time. Be safe out there. And have fun. Right, Bubs? Yeah. Oh, good boy.
Hey, buddy. Oh, he's got the GoPro rocking. How's it going? Hey, pretty good. How about yourself? Good, good.
Good looking dog there.
Yeah, thanks. Good hiking, buddy.